Alright, what's up everybody? We got a cool package here we're going to be unboxing. This is from the NeverEndingCoinClub. I'm excited for this. It's a monthly subscription box. These guys are awesome. They do a bunch of cool stuff. We're going to check it out right now. Come on guys, let's bust it open. Alright, like I said, it's the NeverEndingCoinClub. If you're not already familiar, these guys, the NeverEndingCoin.club. The NeverEndingCoin.club is the website. And they do something really cool. They send you a monthly subscription box that is coins or gold or silver or whatever you're into. They've got a bunch of different types of packages. And I signed up for 2 extras because I already had the silver subscription. I decided to go with the basic and the beginner's box. And I don't know which one is which because I have this one here and I also have 2 more which I'm going to be opening up separately here. But I don't know which one this is. I believe this is the silver box, and you'll get it in a box just like this. These boxes are really, really cool. They're solid, sturdy boxes, and in my opinion, they're kind of like, they're keepers to me. You know what I mean? They're definitely worth keeping because they're solid and sturdy. So let's bust this thing open. Should we do at it blind? We'll go at it blind again. We'll turn the back on the box. We'll open this up here, and let's see. Oh, we got all the good stuff. Get that out of the way. That's the fun stuff right there. So what do we got? What are we opening up here? So the first thing is, I feel it's a PCGS satin finish, 2006 MS68 Colorado quarter. Very cool. And this is why I like this NeverEndingCoinClub box. The first thing is it doesn't break the bank. But the second thing is you get coins that you otherwise wouldn't have picked up, right? So that's the first one. What else we got? Got plenty of stuff in here. Second one we got in here is a 1943 steel cent, and these are very cool. I saw this in the first coin box I got from these guys, and I instantly found love with these steel cents. So these are always a pleasant addition to my stack, at least. I feel something big in here. Oh, nice. We got a very cool antique looking 1 troy ounce Scottsdale Omnius round, I believe is what these ones are called, the Omnius rounds. But this is really cool, and it's hard. The camera doesn't really pick it up too well, but this thing is antiqued. Very, very cool. So that is a very pleasant surprise. This is what you're going to get in the monthly box if you're signed up for that silver box, guys. You're going to get a little bit of everything, not just the good stuff here in the PCGS, not just the pure bullion or anything like that. You're going to get a little bit of everything. So let's see what else is in the box. There's more stuff in here, guys. We've got more of the fun stuff. All right, this one we've got an early Lincoln cent, 1909 to 1919. And this here is a 1916. You can see that right there. And again, guys, very cool, very cool. And there's something else in here. What's this? Oh, we got some junk. I love my junk. So we got a 1943 quarter and a nice beat up Mercury dime. Let's see, 1929 Mercury dime, and a Franklin, a little 1961 Franklin half. So that's cool. This is a very impressive box this month, and I think that's it. That'll do it. I'll close this up, set this back over here, and let's just take another close look-see. You got the early Lincoln cent here, very cool. You've got the 1943 steel cent, also very cool. See if we can get this stuff to stay there. There we go. Stay. You've also got the 2006 satin finish PCGS MS68 Colorado quarter. That's a mouthful to say, but these are cool. Always love to see something great come in a box. The very cool, very sleek, very sexy Scottsdale antique finish 1 ounce coin. It's a very cool coin. I don't own any of these in my stack, so it's nice to get something that I don't own into my stack here. And we've also got some junk. You know, the quarter, a Mercury dime, and a Franklin half. Always very cool. You guys got to check out this site. It's NeverEndingCoin.club. These guys are awesome. If you're in the military, if you're a police officer, firefighter, EMT, you're a first responder, retired, doesn't matter, hit these guys up. They're going to give you 10% off of your order. Obviously, you're going to have to prove that you are you know, a responder of some sort. But these guys are very cool. Chris is the owner of the company. You know, he's a first responder himself, full-time firefighter, and I think that's very cool. All you guys that are first responders, very, very cool. But check them out, NeverEndingCoin.club. It's a monthly subscription box. They got all sorts of stuff, 8 different plans that you guys can choose from. There's a budget in there for everybody. If you like what you see and you want to see more videos like this one, comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, now's a good time to smash that. Make sure you have that bell icon checked off as well. But that's it, guys. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, everybody.